The Deputy Chief Minister of India's Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar, has died after a chartered aircraft crashed on Wednesday morning. Indian aviation authorities say all 5 people on board were killed. According to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, the aircraft departed Mumbai at around 8 a.m. local time and was en route to Baramati in Pune district, Mr. Pawar's home region, when it went down during its landing approach. Eyewitnesses reported hearing a loud explosion, followed by heavy smoke rising from the crash site. Images circulating on social media show wreckage scattered across the area, with parts of the aircraft severely damaged. Emergency responders and local officials reached the site shortly after the crash. Mr. Pawar was traveling with 2 aides, along with a pilot and a crew member, aboard a Learjet 45, operated by a Delhi-based charter company. India's aviation regulator has ordered a formal investigation to determine the cause of the crash. CSB News World.